Hello and welcome to another tutorial of Power BI. Today I want to discuss Smart Narrative Visual in Power BI. Smart Narrative Visuals helps you to summarize all the visuals on your report which are customizable, articulates key takeaway and highlights trend by creating narrative using natural language from your visual, captures dynamic values available in the report. With Smart Narrative, you can give words to your visual. Let's start the video and learn how it is done. For this tutorial, I have created a model having 5 lookup table and 1 data table. Using this model, I have created this sample report, and now I want to give words to my total revenue by month visual. For that, right click on your visual and choose Summarize. Power BI will analyze your visual and create insights from that visual. This Smart Narrative visual is customizable using the text box control. So you can select your text, press Ctrl A. You can change the fonts like this. You can bold, italic, underline, change the color like this, change the size like this. If you want to articulate key takeaways based on all visuals on the page, click on Smart Narrative icon available in your visual panel. This is the Smart Narrative icon, or you can go to Insert, AI Visuals and select Smart Narrative. This Smart Narrative visual will analyze all visuals on the page and create insights. You can add your own insights by adding dynamic values. Let's suppose I want to show total number of transactions in my sales table. For that, I am writing total number of transactions, and to get dynamic value from the text box dialog box, I will select value. Now I will write question, and the question is sales 1 count. I received the answer 594. Give a name to this value, sales transaction count, and save. I can see a dynamic value of 594 for my sales count. Let's increase the font size of our text, and now I am choosing mobile phone from my slicer. This number are updated, and let's check out the transaction count, and it's showing me 54. If you want to update value derived by the Smart Narrative, go to Review and enable Show Auto Generated Value. So V1, V2, V5 all are the values that Smart Narrative has calculated for us, and sales transaction value is calculated by us. Now you don't need to get your visuals in PowerPoint and show the narrative of your data. Use Smart Narrative visual in Power BI and become a smart Power BI user. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you let me know by leaving a comment and a thumbs up below. You can also give your suggestion for future videos in comments. See you in next tutorial.